Hello student, today we are going to start with authentication service security, that is security of a devices and security in a network. Okay, in last lecture we discussed the thing that the importance of a mobile device security, or what we can say that whenever we are going to perform online transaction, here the security funda is very important. Okay, just take the example of a Facebook or any social media websites. Okay, so if or any online transaction or internet transaction or e-commerce transaction, we are going to perform online transaction over the internet. Yes, obviously there may be chances that our database which is to be uh, what we can say that what we can say that unauthorized can get easily access to our database, because here we are going to give the permission to the third party to access our database. So here mainly two things which are important, that is security of a devices and security in a network. So whether your system is protected with the help of antivirus or protected with the help of firewalls. Okay, just same as whether your system is protected with the not a system, here we say that where your system is protected with the help of antivirus. Okay, where whether the antivirus is installed in your mobile phone. Security in a network, what kind of network you are going to use and what kind of security which are provided to your network. So these are the things with the help of that what we can say that we can protect ourselves being the victim of a cybercrime. Authentication service security, that is CGA, cryptographically generated address, that is CGA. It is the IPv4 address that addresses up to 64 address bits that are generated by hashing owner's public key address. The owner uses its corresponding private key to assert the address ownership and to sign messages sent from the address without a public key infrastructure. Okay, so these are the things which are related to the encryption and decryption, public key and private key concept. Whether private key concept means what, sender and receiver which are available, and only one private key which are used by sender and receiver to access that credential or access that database. But in public key cryptography technology, whether anyone can access with the help of that public key. Okay, so these are the things which are related to the authentication service security. Let's take the example of a zombie attack, that is also called as botnet attack. Okay, just one simple message we or pop-up window which is to be uh, available on your mobile whenever you are going on the online. You simply click on that pop-up window. What it happens, it might be harmful to your system, and here you people are going to give permission to access your database. Okay, so that only one particular zombie, or what we can say that worm or trojan horse which is to be installed on your system. But whenever you are going to online or perform any online transaction, at the same time that particular file, or what we can say that particular mm, uh, virus which is to be get activated and create their replica. And just simple way, what we can say that you are giving simply access to your system to third party. Okay, this is called a zombie attack or trojan horse attack or botnet attack. In next lecture we are going to discuss attacks on mobile or cell phones. Thank you.